Hi, my name is Yoko Isaji from Food Story. In this video, I like to share how I make mochi ice cream. Well, my mochi ice cream is like an ice cream sandwich using mochi instead of biscuits or cookies. Have you watched my previous video making mochi by using nonstick pan? After that, I started toasting mochi quite often for my afternoon snack. And one day I woke up, the first thing that came to my mind was I should make mochi ice cream sandwich. Really? Well, I'll talk more about the variation of this recipe and how I got the idea. Please watch till the end. You may have come across Sakura mochi during the cherry blossom season. There are two variations, but the one I found easy to make is a crepe-like thin mochi rolling around sweet adzuki beans. That mochi crepe is a mixture of mochi flour and pastry flour. Originally, I was making mochi crepe and filling sweet beans inside, but started putting ice cream instead. That's how I got the mochi ice cream sandwich idea. If you have rice flour and pastry flour, try making it using half and half. It's less sticky and you'll have less problem handling them. In any case, if you keep them back in the freezer, mochi gets toughened. This is not something I like to make a big batch to keep for the rest of the week in the freezer. Fresh one is always the best. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.